Doing great. So if you all can hear me and if you all can see me, let me know in the chat by giving me a thumbs up and giving me a yo in the chat quickly. Hello Shashi Suhas, welcome. Saurav is also here, welcome guys. Kanchan, Manjunath, Malavika, very happy and excited to see everybody here. So people, today it's going to be a very important session because again I'm going to cover one of the most highly weighted topics for your JEE Mains, which is nothing but your vectors. So this is the one-shot series under Zero to Hero episodes with JEE Enthuse channel. Hello Kirito, welcome. Rishita, very warm welcome Rishita. I hope you're doing good. Hi Abhiram, yes Abhiram, you're on time. So happy to see you here. Nikita, welcome Nikita. I'm doing great. Fantastic people. So like I said, it is gonna be an epic session. I hope all of you are ready with your notes, with your pen and paper, because you are gonna solve some of the best questions which have come in JEE Mains previous years. Okay. Hello Aviraj, welcome man. Great to see you here. Let me reduce the temperature of my AC. It's very hot. Okay. So before we get into the topic, as always, let me introduce myself because I know some of you come to this channel for the first time and I want you guys to at least know who I am. So guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So I teach for the JEE Mains and JEE Advanced level. And if you want to know my background, I did my BTech from IIT. So that is what I did in my college. And before that, I prepared for many exams like all of you. I prepared for KVPY, I prepared for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, and I have cleared all of them. And that is why I'm here now teaching you guys so that you can learn from my experience. Okay, so that will be a very good advantage for you. Now, in case you want to know more about me, like already people are asking what was your percentile. So if you want to know more about me, then you can follow me on Instagram and I will clarify all your doubts. Okay. Citric acid. Yes. Welcome man. So what was my percentile? When I wrote JEE Main, there was no percentile man. So I got an All India rank of around 400. I think 464. So that converts to almost 99.95, right? According to, you can say 99.95, something like that. Yeah. So that was in those days. Now the competition is more. So you guys are much smarter, much better than us. So it is always encouraging for any teacher to teach you guys. Okay. Yes, intelligent. I will try to teach from basics, but don't expect me to spoon feed, man, because this is a revision class. Okay. So I will expect you to know something. Hi, Shimon Sir's Ninja Girl. Welcome, Shreya. Hello, Asta, Junaid, Akhil Reddy. Very happy to see you guys. Hi, Preksha. Welcome. So let's move forward, guys. Let's get into it. And before we go there, in case anybody came here by chance, by mistake you fell into the channel, don't forget to subscribe because you are in for a great ride. You will have some fabulous sessions with our teachers. We have great experienced teachers like Shreyas sir, Wasim sir, who are working day and night to make your life easy. Okay, so definitely do subscribe, and if you really love us, do share it to your friends and don't forget to like. Liking is important because that encourages us. Okay, so if you like the video, it gives me a boost. So I will come with more power and more better content in the coming days. Okay, so don't forget to like. That's a small encouragement that you give for your teachers. Okay, so I hope everybody will understand that and do it. So shall we move into it, guys? Everybody, shall we get started? Everybody light up the chat. Fantastic, Shreya. You are awesome. Achyut is also here. Welcome, Achyut. Kirito is here. Nancy is here. Prudvi, Nikita. Fantastic. You guys are awesome. Preksha. Welcome, Preksha. Great. So let's begin this chapter right from the basics. Very good, Junaid. I'm so happy. I hope he likes me. So this is the starting point. So today's topic is all about vectors. And guys, like I always say, I don't beat around the bush. I'm gonna be very, very honest here. I'm gonna teach you with respect to JEE Mains. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you what are the concepts required for JEE Mains. I'm not gonna teach everything. I'm not gonna teach like CBSE class. No, I will teach you things which are important for JEE Mains, because that is what we can do in 1.5 hours. So for the next 1.5 hours, I want everybody to open your ears and point it towards me so that you will have your complete attention. Got it? And people who are here for the very first time, I'm so happy you decided to come here. I hope you enjoy the class. Let's begin. So a vector is what? A vector is something which has both a direction and magnitude. That we have been studying right from our lower classes, right? A vector is something which has magnitude and which also has direction. So that is what I have put together here in a simple word. What is that? It is nothing but a directed line segment. So a line segment has a certain magnitude. So the magnitude is represented by modulus. So that is the length of the vector. That is going to give you the magnitude. And direction is given by your unit vector. So A cap is a unit vector pointing towards the direction of A vector. So A cap is the direction of A vector. So if you want to write A vector, you can write it as magnitude of A vector into A cap. So this is a very good method which everybody should remember. Okay. So if you want to write a vector A, it is equivalent to magnitude of A times of unit vector in the direction of A. Does that make sense to everybody? So these are the utter basics of vectors. These are the utter basics of vectors which everybody should know by now. Because I'm sure even 11th standard students, you guys have learned vectors for physics. Yes? So you must be knowing this. Now let's move forward. What else are you supposed to know? The next important thing, guys, is the law of vector addition. So I want to state something very interesting here. I'm sure you guys know it because you're all experts in physics and you are more knowledgeable in physics than I am. Okay, so how many of you know that current is not a vector? Do you guys know that? Current is not a vector, even though current has direction, current has magnitude. I hope you guys know that, isn't it? So everybody knows that because you're all trained by good teachers of Vedantu. So of course you're supposed to know it. Now, why is that? Why is current not a vector, even though it has a direction and it has magnitude? Why is that? Very good Shenbaga Sujan, very good Pavan Alex. You guys are all awesome. Exactly, Rishi. Rishi is correct. Because, my dear students, my current does not follow the laws of vector addition. So that is the most important point. So that is the reason why current is not called as a vector. Very good Pranav. You guys are awesome. Ishan, very good Ishan. Abhiram, Shenbaga Sujan, you guys are all absolutely right. Hello Anisha. Nope, you're not late. We are just getting started and very happy to see you after a long time. Okay. Abhiram, yes, you're right. So now, what are the laws of vector addition? So guys, there are totally 3 laws of vector addition. I want to teach you all of it. Hello Anjali. Yes, you're right Anjali. That's very good. Okay. So what are the 3 laws? The first one is the most basic one, which is your law of triangle addition. Okay, so you can call it the triangle law. So what does the triangle law state? So I'm going to explain it to you in a brief way. So please pay attention, my dear students. So triangle law says if you have your A vector as one side of a triangle and your B vector as another side of your triangle, then the vector which completes your triangle in the opposite way. This is a vector which completes your triangle because you go like this, you go like this, you come like this. But if you take the opposite of that, that is going to give you the resultant of A and B. What is the resultant of A and B? It is nothing but A vector plus B vector. So that is known as your triangle law of vector addition. Is that clear to everybody? Yes, Anita, please let me know. Welcome. Hi, Ritika. Very nice to see you back again. Welcome. So I hope you guys are all clear. Very good, devil man. That's awesome. So this is what your triangle law of vector addition says. Now, what is the magnitude of resultant? I hope you guys know that. The magnitude of resultant is nothing but what? Can you guys tell me what that will be? Any idea? Any idea of what the magnitude of the resultant will be? So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 mod A mod B cos theta under root. That is the magnitude of the resultant, where cos theta is this angle. The angle between A vector and B vector. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? So this is the way you are supposed to do it. I hope you're all clear with it. Hello Malavika, hello Sai Vivek. Welcome guys, welcome. I'm so happy to see all of you. The reason why I'm not responding to chat is because we are all focused on learning. So I will definitely talk to you guys, but majorly let's focus on the class, okay? Because I have a very big task today. Today I'm teaching a very important topic called as vectors, and I want to make sure you guys will get 4 marks by the end of this 1.5 hours class. So I'm trying to do my best. Please coordinate with me and only then you can get it. Okay, so try to focus on the session. Unless you have an important doubt to ask, try to avoid chat or chat only when I ask. Okay, perfect. So this is all you need to know about your triangle law of vector addition. Now after triangle law, the next one which I want you guys to know is your parallelogram law. And of course you guys are aware of it. Many of you are even telling me before I even showed you this. So you guys are smart, absolutely right. So what does your parallelogram law of vector addition say? It says that if 2 adjacent sides of a parallelogram are represented by your A vector and B vector, if two sides of your parallelogram are represented by your A vector and by your B vector, then what can I say? Can you tell me? If 2 sides of your parallelogram are given by A vector and B vector, then the resultant is given by the diagonal of that parallelogram. The resultant is given by the diagonal of that parallelogram. Are you all clear with it, my dear students? Everybody is cool with it? Fantastic. So the resultant is nothing but A vector plus B vector. So this angle here, my dear students, is theta. So again, your magnitude of resultant is nothing but what? It is going to be the same formula. It is nothing but modulus of A square plus modulus of B square plus 2 times mod A mod B into cos of theta. That is the magnitude of your resultant. I hope you guys are all clear with it. Fantastic. Now there is one more nice property which is more useful in physics. What angle does the resultant make with your A? So that angle is nothing but tan inverse of, we all know that. I'm sure you guys are aware of it. What is that gonna be? Any idea? B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Isn't that right, my dear students? So do you all remember this? So this is going to give you the angle which the resultant makes with your A vector. Don't ever forget that. Very good, Sai Vivek. So the angle which your resultant makes with your A vector is given as tan inverse of B sin theta by A plus B cos theta, where B and A are the magnitudes of those 2 vectors. Is that clear, everybody? Fantastic, people. Fantastic. Now this formula is more useful in physics, not very important in math. Okay. So now these are the 2 most important laws that we will be using in mathematics. Then what is the third thing that I wanted to teach you? The third thing which I wanted to teach you is something extra, which is called as your Polygon Law. So what does your Polygon Law state? It says that if you have a vector A as one side of a polygon, vector B as another side of a polygon, vector C as another side of a polygon, vector D as another side of a polygon, and vector E as another side of a polygon, then the summation or the resultant of all of them, will be the vector completing this polygon, and in the opposite sense. So if I complete this polygon, I'll join it like this, but in the opposite sense. So this is my resultant, and that is going to be given by this. That is your Polygon law of vector addition. Did you all enjoy it? Very good, Abhiram. You guys are fabulous. Devil man, I'll come to that. Please wait for it. That comes at the end of today's class. Okay? Are you all happy with it? So this is an additional bonus, not very important for JEE Mains, but it is good to know because the applications are very, very high. Fantastic. So Bharani, no problem Bharani, welcome man. So let us move forward. You guys can take a screenshot of this because I have given you the complete picture over here. Got it? So I have given you triangle law, I have given you parallelogram law, and I have also given you polygon law. Okay, Preksha is saying polygon law came in my shift. Fantastic, Preksha. I'm so happy you got a question based on that. Okay, so people, these are very important. So you can see that Preksha is saying that she got it in her exam. So I didn't expect that. I missed that out. But anyway, I'm happy that I covered it for you. So make a note of this. Okay. So now let us move forward and try to learn more about vectors. So guys, when do you say that two vectors are equal? So you say that two vectors are equal when their magnitudes are equal and their directions are equal. That is very, very simple. So when you say two vectors are equal, that means their magnitude as well as direction, they will be equal. I hope you guys got that. So that is what I have explained here. The same length means magnitude is same. The same length means magnitudes are equal. Okay, because I told you length determines the magnitude. And these 2 points are going to say that the direction is also same. So if I have two vectors whose directions are same and whose magnitudes are also same, then they are said to be equal vectors. Very good. Very, very simple. Are you all clear? Everybody? Fantastic. Now, what is magnitude of a vector? Let us say you have a vector A which is given in component form. I am writing vector A as xi cap, yj cap, zk cap. So what will be the magnitude of A? Guys, magnitude of A is nothing but the distance of that vector from the origin. That is what it means. You need to understand it. It is not just memorizing it. Rather, it is going to be a complete conceptual understanding of what's happening. When I say mod A, what I mean by that is the distance between origin to that vector A. Got it? So that is going to be the distance between the point x comma y comma z, because the vector position vector A is nothing but xi cap, yj cap, zk cap, and origin is 0 comma 0 comma 0. So what is the distance between them? It is nothing but square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Yes? Are you guys able to catch up with this? Fantastic. Yes, Kavita, I will do that. Nazir Basha, welcome. Celestine Gladys, welcome. Very nice to see you here. I am doing great. Everybody clear? Fantastic, people. So these are the basics. Now comes the challenge. I'm going to give you a very nice question, but I'm going to help you with all the things that you need to know to solve that question. So let me explain it to you. The very first thing is, when you say two vectors are collinear, what does that mean? If you say two vectors are collinear, what does that mean? Two collinear vectors means they have the same direction. So if I say A vector and C vector are collinear, that means A vector is nothing but some multiple of C vector. So if two vectors are collinear, then I can write it like this. Are you all able to follow? Are you all able to follow? Everybody clear with it? This is very important because collinear vectors will either be parallel or anti-parallel. So that is why I said if A can be written as some lambda times of C vector, then they can be said to be collinear. They can be said to be collinear. If they are not collinear, then there will be no such lambda for which this will be true. Hence, lambda will be 0. Got it? So, if they are not collinear, there will be no such value of lambda. Okay. So, let me say, if you have something like this, let's say, mu A vector is equal to lambda C vector. So, that means, if they are collinear, you can find suitable values of mu and lambda. If they are not collinear, if I say, guys, A and C vector are not collinear, then what can you say? Then what can you say? You can say that lambda and mu both are 0. Only then it can happen. Are you all clear with it? If lambda and mu both are 0, then I can say these two are non-collinear. In the question, if it is given that A and C are not collinear, and if you end up getting a relation like this, you can conclude that your lambda and mu both are 0. I hope that makes sense. Let me repeat it. Listen carefully. In the question, if they say A and C are not collinear, and if you get a relation like this in the solving, while solving you get a relation like this, mu A vector is equal to lambda C vector. If you end up with a relation like this, now since A and C are not collinear, I can say this can never happen. So if this is happening, that should mean lambda and mu both are 0. Because if they are finite numbers other than 0, that means A and C are collinear. But that contradicts what's given in the question. Very good concept. I hope you liked it. Are you all clear with it? Everybody, guys, this is a very, very powerful method. I hope you do realize the importance of this. Okay? Everybody cool with it? Hello, Pooja, welcome. Hi, Kushali, welcome. Kanchan, fantastic. I'm so happy that you guys are able to follow. Now, somebody asked a good question. Somebody asked me, sir, what is the difference between magnitude and the factor? So you say that if A and C are collinear, I can write it like this. Why do you multiply with lambda? Because they just said they are collinear. Collinear means they are parallel or anti-parallel. Okay. But I don't know anything about their magnitude. So I cannot comment or say anything about the magnitude. That is why I put this variable scalar lambda. So lambda will take care of the magnitude. Because guys, it is just mentioned that they are both collinear. Collinearity does not imply or say anything about the magnitude. So that is why you need to take care of it by putting a scalar over here. I hope that makes sense. Everybody clear? Hi Nitya Shri, welcome. Very nice to see you here all of a sudden. Very good, Harsh. That is a fantastic score. All the very best for your advanced preparation. Very good, Neeli, Sai, Harshita. That's very nice. Great to see you people from Nellore. Fantastic. Some of my friends are from Nellore. Okay, the world is small. Everybody is connected, right? Okay, so people, if you got it, let me move to the question. I'll show you now. Now let's see if you guys are able to solve. I taught you for such a long time, such an important concept. Now I will check who all understood it carefully. Let me see. Let me see who all have understood it carefully. Very good, DJ Rocks. That's fantastic. Nazir Basha, good, but try to improve. Because 90 percentile, I think it is good enough for people who have categories. But if you are a general category student, you need to increase it. Okay. So people, I hope everybody is following it. Yes? Can you all give me a thumbs up or a yo in the chat if you got it? If you are all able to understand and if you're all happy, can you please give me a thumbs up or a yo in the chat because I am concerned. I think what I explained here was very important. If you did not get it, I want you to let me know so that I'll help you out. Because the whole point of you coming here is to learn. I want you to take something away from this session. No Shibi, we are just getting started Shibi with the important stuff. So please do stay. Today's session is very, very important. Okay, so it has a lot of good stuff. So please wait and listen to the entire class. Very good people. So Shibi and all the others, please try to solve this question. I will wait for you guys and then we will move forward. I will wait for you guys and then we'll move forward. Okay. Pairwise non-collinear. That means A is not collinear to B, B is not collinear to C, C is not collinear to A. Did you understand that? Are you all able to get it? So now let's try to solve it. Hello Anjali, welcome. So guys, please listen carefully. A plus 3B is collinear with C. So can I write A plus 3B vector is equal to lambda times C vector? Do you agree with that, my dear children? Everybody? Everybody? So now B plus 2C is collinear with A. So can I write B plus 2C vector is equal to mu times A vector? That is why I taught you that now. That is why I taught you that now. Very important. Okay. So whenever you have collinear vectors, this is how you represent them. Okay. Vinay, please pull the video back and try to have a look at it. I have explained it very, very detailedly from the scratch. Okay. Now, we know that we have to find out what is A plus 3B plus 6C. So guys, can I add 6C on both the sides? So what will I get? I will get A plus 3B plus 6C is equal to, I will get lambda plus 6 times of C vector. Similarly here, I will multiply by 3. So if I multiply by 3, I will get 3B plus 6C is equal to 3 mu times your A vector. Now I will add A vector to both sides. So I will get 1 plus 3 mu times of A vector as this one. So can I say both my left hand side here and here are the same? So can I compare my right hand side? Can I compare my right hand side? So I can say lambda plus 6 times of C vector is equal to 1 plus 3 mu times of A vector. So we know A and C are non-collinear. Why? Because they are pairwise non-collinear. So if A and C are non-collinear, what can I say? This should be under, this should be under. So lambda should be minus 6, mu should be minus 1 by 3. Did you get it? Fantastic, na? Fantastic question. Did you like it? Brilliant, brilliant question. So if lambda is minus 6, then this will be 0. So the answer is 0. A plus 3B plus 6C is equal to null vector, which is option B. How many of you loved this question? Everybody clear with it? Did you all understand the way I have solved it? So Priyanka, this is for JEE Mains. This is for March attempt JEE Mains. Okay? Yes guys, this is a JEE Mains question. I hope you all liked it. Very good, Harsh. That is awesome. And Sai, Has, Rita, I do speak a little bit of Telugu, not complete. So I stayed in Hyderabad for almost 7-8 months, and in college also IIT Madras I studied. So many of my friends were from Andhra, Kerala and North India. So I do speak a little bit of everything, but my mother tongue is Tamil. Okay. So I hope you guys are all fine. Shall I move forward? Everybody cool with it? Yes, Preksha, please do remind me in case I forget it. Hi Nakul, that is fantastic, man. Great to see you here. Welcome. Yes. So let us move forward. I hope you all have understood it. So guys, the answer along with the solutions have been sent in the PDF. So after the class is over, you will be able to download the PDF. You can check it out later. Okay. So Dhruv 3D was done yesterday. So please check it out. 3D is already over. Got it? So Kushi, I will tell that later. Right now, please focus on the session, guys. Again, everybody is getting distracted. So Sandhya, I speak only in English. So don't worry. This is an English channel. Okay. So guys, everybody, please listen to me. Don't get distracted. I see the chat is going off track. So please come back. I want everybody to be focused because we are taking on a challenge of understanding this chapter vectors, and I am moving on to important topic. So please pay attention. Okay. So the first thing which I want to teach you is your dot product. So when you have two vectors, let's say A vector and B vector, what is the dot product of both of them? That is nothing but mod A times mod B into cos of theta. So dot product will always give you a scalar result. So dot product will always give you a scalar quantity, and that quantity's magnitude is mod A mod B cos theta. Mod A is magnitude of vector A, mod B is magnitude of vector B. Cos theta, theta is the angle between these two vectors. Are you all clear? Everybody? Yes? Everybody, I hope you're all fine with it. Now, here there's something important to know. What is A vector dot A vector? That is nothing but mod A into cos of the angle between them. So the angle between these two vectors is 0. So it will be cos of 0, which will be mod A square. Are you all clear with that? So that is why mod A into mod A is mod A square. I hope you guys have understood it. Everybody cool with it? Fantastic. Now because of this reason, I can say I cap dot I cap is equal to 1, j cap dot j cap is equal to 1, and k cap dot k cap is equal to 1. I hope you guys are aware of it. Now, when two vectors are perpendicular, when let's say A and B are perpendicular, then what is the dot product? So if A and B are perpendicular, the dot product will be mod A into mod B into cos of 90 degree. So it will be 0. So whenever the dot product is 0, you can say that the vectors are perpendicular provided none of them are 0. Provided none of them are 0. If A vector and B vector are not 0, and if the dot product is 0, you can say that these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Are you all clear? Everybody got that? Fantastic people, you are all awesome. So till here, I hope you're all able to follow. Let's move forward now. So next thing which I want to teach you guys is the properties of scalar product, which is nothing but the properties of dot product. What are the properties? It is commutative in nature. That means your A dot B and B dot A are the same. So when you have dot product, your A dot B is the same as B dot A. So that is what we call as commutative nature of your scalar product. Are you all clear? Everybody? Now the next thing is, if A dot B is 0, that means A and B are perpendicular. Are you all cool with it? Yes? Fantastic. Provided A and B are not 0. Because if A dot B is 0, it can be possible because your modulus of A is 0, or your modulus of B is 0, or it can be because they are perpendicular. So if A and B are not 0, then it is because they are perpendicular. Okay? That is important. Now, this one I have already explained it to you. I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is all equal to 1. I dot j, j dot k, k dot I is 0. Because I dot j is perpendicular, j dot k is perpendicular, k dot I is also perpendicular. Therefore, the dot product is 0. Everybody cool with it? Now, the last topic is very important. Projection of a vector on another vector. Very frequently asked in JEE Mains. Very frequently asked in JEE Mains. Please listen carefully, guys. I want all of you to pay attention. So whenever you want to find projection of a vector on another vector, what you need to do is, if you want to find projection of A on B, it is nothing but A vector dot B cap. That's it. This quantity is called as the projection of vector A on B. So I can write this as B cap can be written as B vector divided by modulus of B. So B cap, I can write it as B vector by modulus of B. So that is what they have done here. So I am simplifying this as A dot B divided by mod B. That is how you get the projection of A on B. I hope you guys got it. Everybody. So shall I move forward? Yes. Everybody. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. So with that, let us move forward to the next one. I hope you're all ready for this question. Please try to do it. Yes, Jenny, it is the unit vector in the direction of B. You are right. It is the unit vector in the direction of B. You are correct. I am so happy that everybody is able to follow. Now guys, try to solve this question. I want everybody to do it. It is not a general question. It is a JEE Mains question. Okay. It is a JEE Mains question. So make an effort, everybody. A and B are vectors. They are not direction ratios. Nazir, that is different. That is something we discussed yesterday. Okay. So everybody please try to solve it. Yes, Ruby. Ruby, I'll try to explain what is resolution of a vector. Please give me some time. Okay. So people, I hope all of you are ready. Thank you, Tanuja Ben. I am so happy you are understanding it. Preksha, fantastic Preksha. You are awesome. So Preksha has solved it. What about the others? Come on guys, I am expecting more results. I am expecting more answers. You need to participate with full energy. You cannot let go. Come on. My screen is blurred. Dharma Teja, can you please increase your resolution? Because I think everybody else is able to see. Try to increase your resolution. Maybe make it 480 pixels. Okay, so first of all, I know that modulus of x bar plus y bar is equal to modulus of x. So I'm going to square both sides. So if I square both sides, I will get what? X modulus of x square plus modulus of y square plus 2x dot y is equal to mod x square. So mod x square will cancel. So mod y square, I can write it as y vector dot y vector plus 2x vector dot y vector is equal to 0. Got it? Now what else do we have there? We have 2x vector plus lambda y vector is perpendicular to y. That means dot y vector is equal to 0. So I can write it as 2x vector dot y vector plus lambda y vector dot y vector is equal to 0. Now compare these two. Comparing these two, what can I say? I can say that lambda is equal to 1. So lambda equal to 1 is my answer. I hope everybody has got it. Are you all clear with it? It is lambda equal to 1. I hope everybody is able to follow. That is the way you guys are supposed to solve. Did you like it? Nakul, Abhiram and all the others, I hope you have understood it. It is a very simple question. I did not do anything fancy here. Did you understand it now? Yes? Did you guys understand it now? Everybody, you guys are awesome. And guys, please be very attentive. This is an important class and you might get 4 marks. I'm repeatedly saying that. So trust me on that. Give me your fullest attention and we will crack it. Okay? Very good. So let us move forward, guys. I'm so happy that you guys understood this at a very early stage. This is awesome. So you can practice more questions like this, and when you move forward, you will definitely be able to crack even tougher questions. Okay, good Shibi, that's right. So let's move forward. So now the solution for this question is attached in a very simple manner, step by step. So in case you want to access this, please join our Telegram group. You will be able to download the PDF for free. Okay, so make sure you join the Telegram group. This is the next question, a fantastic question. Okay, it is not just fantastic, it is fantastic. Okay, because it's fun to solve it. Let me see how many of you are able to crack it. Hello Arnav. I don't know, man. Maybe the universe wants you to learn vectors now itself when you are in 9th standard. It's okay, Arnav. If you are able to follow, do stay. Otherwise, it's fine. It's a wrong recommendation. Okay, don't worry about it. Very good, very good. So people, please try to solve it. Dhruv, the class will be for 2 hours. I will take probably up to 11 o'clock. I will mostly take it up to 11 p.m. Okay, not more than that. Don't worry. Because I know you guys have school. You want to take rest. So I will not disturb you. But till 11 o'clock, I want everybody to give me your full attention. That alone, please cooperate with me. Don't spam. Don't do anything unwanted in the chat. Okay, that is all I expect. Very good, Nakul. That's fantastic, man. So you're managing with what you know in your 11th standard. That is awesome, Nakul. Ravi Kiran, 9th standard. Crazy, man. You guys are brilliant. So shall we solve it? Any answers? I am waiting for people to answer. So Nazir Basha says 6. Shreya, I don't know why. Maybe reduce the quality of the video. That might help. Okay, no problem, Dhruv. I will definitely help you. Yes, attitude level. Okay, so let's solve it. Please listen carefully, guys. This is important. Okay, so first of all, projection of B on A. So can I say B on A is nothing but B dot A vector by magnitude of A vector is equal to projection of C on A. So C on A will be what? C vector dot A vector by magnitude of A vector. Now these two are equal. So can I say, cancelling these two, can I say B vector dot A vector is equal to C vector dot A vector? Is that okay with everybody? Is that okay with everybody? That is the first information which I am picking from the question and putting it here. Very simple. Just now I taught you what is projection of a vector on another vector. You cannot forget it that easily. I just taught you few minutes back, man. Maybe 3 to 4 minutes back. That's it. Are you clear with this first step, everybody? Preksha, this first step, are you able to understand? What about Shreya? Everybody cool with it? Fantastic people. You guys are awesome. Now, I want to find this value. So guys, what I'm going to do is, I will square it. So what is A plus B minus C vector whole square? It will be mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square plus 2 times of, I will get A dot B minus B dot C minus C dot A. Is that okay, people? Now, can I say A dot B and C dot A are equal? So these two will be under. A dot B and C dot A are equal. So they will cancel out. Are you guys okay with that? Did you all like it? Very good, no? Now, the best part is B is perpendicular to C. So if B is perpendicular to C, what does that mean? That means B dot C is also under. That means B dot C is also 0. So this whole term is 0. So this square will be modulus of A square, which is 2 square, plus modulus of B square, which is 4 square, plus modulus of C square, which is again 4 square. So this is equal to 36. But that is the square of our modulus. So what will be mod of A plus B minus C? That will be equal to 6, because I should take square root on both sides. So if I take square root on both sides, I will get the answer as 6. Did you all love it? Fantastic question, na? Very good, Preksha. I am so happy you guys have understood it. Did you all enjoy this question? So was it so difficult now? But it was wonderful, right? It was wonderful. That is what I want you guys to understand. Clear? Yes, Harsha, definitely. You can, but you need a lot of hard work behind it. Okay, nothing comes easy. You need to work hard, you need to put the effort, and you will be able to achieve it. Okay, very good, Hariharan, that's fantastic. So guys, with that I will move forward. I'm so happy you also enjoyed this question. I loved it when I was solving it. So the solutions are attached. For those who did not get it, you can go through it later on after the class is over. You can download the PDF and you can go through it step by step. Okay, thank you, Ruby. And why can't we cancel A and A? Where was A and A, man? So here you are saying, no, here you cannot cancel now because it is dot product. Dot product is an operation. So when an operation is going on, you cannot cancel it. Understood? So that is why I cannot cancel A and A here. That is wrong. That is not at all correct. Okay? So people, let's move forward to the vector product. We still have a long way to go. I want everybody to pay attention to the class. Yes? So now, listen very carefully. What is your vector product? Please listen carefully. What is the vector product of two vectors? So let us say you have two vectors A and B. As the name suggests, vector product will give you a vector quantity. Vector product will give you a vector quantity. So obviously your resultant after a vector product will be a vector which has magnitude as well as direction. Which has magnitude as well as direction. Okay, so the magnitude is given by this particular term, mod A, mod B, sine theta. That is the magnitude of your vector product. Mod of A cross B. This is the direction. So how do you calculate this direction? How do we determine this? We determine this by the right hand rule. By the right hand rule. So if I have A vector like this and B vector like this, A cross B, so I will point my fingers towards A, I will curl it towards B. I will curl it towards B. Wherever my thumb points, that is the direction of A cross B. So A cross B will always be perpendicular to both A and B. Understand that? Please understand that. Your A cross B will always be perpendicular to both your A vector and also your B vector. Are you guys clear about it? Everybody cool with it? Yes? Fantastic. So that is how you find direction. I'm so happy you guys have understood it. This is the magnitude. So we know magnitude, we know direction. That's about it. Okay. Aditi, yes, I will talk to you about it. But towards the end, Aditi, right now we are focused on learning the class. So please be attentive. Towards the end, I will take up your personal questions for the last 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Yes, n is a unit vector. Of course, yes, n is a unit vector in the direction of A cross B, which is given by right hand rule. So right hand thumb rule we call it. So n is a unit vector, don't forget that. That's a good question. Nakul, very good, you are right. Okay. So now the next one is Lagrange's identity. So what does Lagrange's identity say? It says that A cross B whole square. So this is nothing but what? It is nothing but A cross B dot A cross B. So what is A cross B dot A cross B? It is nothing but mod A square mod B square minus A dot B whole square. Because guys, A cross B dot A cross B is nothing but mod A square mod B square into sine square theta. Don't you all agree? Don't you all agree with this? A cross B dot A cross B is a scalar quantity and that will be equal to modulus of A cross B whole square. So modulus of A cross B whole square is mod A square mod B square sine square theta. Now sine square theta, I can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. So if I open it, I will get mod A square mod B square minus mod A square mod B square cos square theta, which is nothing but A dot B whole square. You understood the derivation also? As simple as that. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. That's about it. That's all you need to know. That's all you need to know. That is a simplified version in the form of a determinant. Got it? So that is your Lagrange's identity. Quite useful to solve some of the questions asked in JEE Mains. Clear, guys? Everybody? So shall I move forward? So Dhruv, please pull the video back and watch it again. I didn't do anything great, Dhruv. I just did mod of a cross b whole square is nothing but mod a square mod b square sine square theta. So sine square theta, I wrote it as 1 minus cos square theta. That's it. I didn't do anything else. It's a very simple derivation. It comes from observation. Okay. So people, let's move forward because the next one is very important. Properties of vector product. So this is what you have to be very thorough in. Okay. So let me explain it. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Okay. Yes, Shreya, you're right. So now, if A cross B is 0, what does it imply? It means that A and B are parallel. They have the same direction or they are anti-parallel. If A and B are parallel or anti-parallel, their cross product will be 0. Provided A is not 0, B is not 0. Got it? So if A cross B is 0, then I can say that A and B are either parallel or anti-parallel, provided A is not 0, B is not 0. Got it? Is that clear? Very simple. Exactly. Now, cross product is not commutative. Very important. Because, in fact, it is actually opposite. A cross B is actually minus of B cross A. Why is that? Because, let me show you. This is very fun. You also do it along with me. This is A vector. This is B vector. So what is the direction of A cross B? Direction of A cross B is outside. But direction of B cross A is inside. So only the directions are opposite. Because of that, A cross B is negative of B cross A. Wonderful, na? Wonderful, right? So that is why it is not commutative. Rather, A cross B is actually minus of B cross A. Did you all get it? Everybody, are you all able to follow? Fantastic, guys. You are all awesome. Very good, very good. Nakul, A cross B is outward, B cross A is inward. So they are of opposite directions. That is why you get a minus here. So it is not commutative. If it was commutative, A cross B should be equal to B cross A. That is not correct. So that is why vector product is not commutative. Very important. Got it? Now, I cross I, J cross J, K cross K are all 0. Why they are all 0? They are all 0 because they are all of the same direction. If you have the same direction, then your vector product will be 0. I told you very clearly. Exactly, Preksha. Very good, Shimon Sir's ninja girl. Okay? Fantastic. Now, coming to the next one. I cross J is equal to K. J cross K is equal to I. For remembering this, I will tell you a very simple idea. Follow this circle. So, follow this circle in an anti-clockwise manner. So, I cross J will be K. K cross I will be J. J cross K will be I. Very simple. You will never forget it. You will never forget it. So, I cross J will be K. K cross I will be J. I cross J will be K. Everybody clear? Exactly. I am going in an anti-clockwise order. Clear? But if I break that order, then I will get minus. So J cross I will be minus K. And I cross K will be minus J. And K cross J will be minus I. So like that you will get. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Are you all cool with it? Very good, Shreya. That's fantastic. Now, the last point before I go to a question. If you have a vector of magnitude r that you want perpendicular to A and B. So I have A vector, I have B vector like this. I want a vector perpendicular to both of them and having a magnitude of r. Okay, and having a magnitude of r. So guys, I can take a vector perpendicular to this in the direction of cross product. That will give me a direction perpendicular to it, but I want unit vector. So I will divide it by the magnitude of cross product. So this is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane of A and B. Now I will multiply with our magnitude R, because we want a vector of magnitude R. Now it can be plus or minus, because I can have perpendicular in this way or perpendicular inside. So that is why plus or minus. Did you all understand it? It's fantastic, no? So this is how you learn. This is how you learn and appreciate vectors. Okay? Everybody clear? Very good, Nakul. Nakul, yes. Modulus of I, modulus of J, modulus of K are all one, because they are all unit vectors. I, J, K are all unit vectors. All of you cool with it? Shall I move forward? So let's proceed and try to solve a question based on this. I want all of you to try it out. It is a fantastic, fantastic question. When was it asked? It was asked in February. It was asked in February JEE Mains. So people, please put your effort, try to solve it and get it correct, preferably. Hello Vijay Singh, welcome. Hi Aryan, welcome man. So guys, I'll give you 1 minute time, not more than that. I want all of you to solve it and get it right, preferably. Please do it. I want all of you to go for it. Come on guys. And in case you are enjoying the sessions, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to spread the word to your friends also. Okay? Because the more the better, the more the merrier. Okay. So Shreya has got it in her shift. Preksha also has got it. So let's see if you're able to solve it now. Hi Vijay Singh, welcome man. Very nice to see you here. So people, everybody try to solve it. Vijay Singh is saying, wait sir for some more time. Yes, yes, yes Vijay. Please try it out. Everybody try it out. What is given? R is a vector such that R cross A is equal to C cross A. So from here I'll give you a hint. Listen carefully. So can I say R cross A minus C cross A is equal to 0? So can I say R minus C cross A is equal to 0? Are you all cool with that? Are you all cool with that? So from this, can I say guys, R minus C and A vector are parallel? Do you guys agree with me on that? Can I say that R minus C and A vector are parallel? Very good observation. Very, very good. From something which I taught you. I just taught you right now. Very good Vijay. So can I say R minus C will be equal to some lambda times A vector? So can I say R vector will be equal to C vector plus lambda A vector? Are you all cool with it? That's it. Now what do we know? R dot B is 0. So let's do R dot B. So R dot B is equal to 0. That will be equal to C dot B plus lambda A dot B. So what is C dot B? We can find it out, na? What is C dot B? Can you guys do it along with me? C dot B is equal to 1 into 1, which is 1, minus 1 into minus 1, which will be plus 1. So C dot B is 2. C dot B is 2. So this will be 2 plus lambda times A dot B. What is A dot B? A dot B is the dot product between A and B. So it will be 1 into 1, 1, plus 2 into minus 1, which is minus 2. So A dot B will be minus 1. So I will put lambda times of minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the value of lambda? Lambda will be 2. Did you guys like it? Did you guys like it? Everybody? Are you all able to follow? Yes, Nakul, we will check it. I'm not too sure about the final answer. We will check it. Please let me know, guys. Are you all able to understand it? Very good, very good, very good. Now, I will put lambda as 2 over here. Now, I want to find R dot A. Our question is to find R dot A. So, let's do that. R dot A is equal to what? R dot A is C dot A plus 2A dot A. So it is C dot A plus 2A dot A, which is mod A square. So what is C dot A? It is 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2A dot A. A dot A will be what? 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, which will be 6, right? So the answer is 6, because plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. I will get the answer as R dot A equal to 6. Did you all like it, everybody? Are you all able to understand? But that will take a long time now, Preksha. This is coming from properties of vectors. So this is a better way of doing it. But of course, I don't deny what you're saying. You're also right. But it will take some time by the way you are telling. I hope you guys are clear. This is the way you solve it. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or any doubts to ask, please let me know. Very good, Aryan. I'm so happy you enjoyed it. Guys, all the percentile, guys, I cannot reply to it because I'm right now busy teaching this chapter. At the end of the class, I will explain it. Okay, so don't worry. Atharva, Arya, and a lot of other people who are asking this percentile, what can I get? Please wait for some time. Okay, I hope you guys understand. I will explain your doubt, but at the end of the class, not right now. Right now, let's not disturb the flow. Okay, so guys, that is how you solve it. So guys, that is a 2a square. I think I missed a 2. So the answer is 12. Because lambda was there, na? So lambda was 2, right? So 2a vector dot a vector, you will get 2a square. So that will be 12. So 2 into 6. Got it? So 12 is the answer. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's move forward. Very good, Saurav. So guys, no worries. We will move forward to the next topic. I'm going to talk about scalar triple product, vector triple product. How many of you are excited for that? So I'm going to teach you something very, very important. Okay, yes, Kirito, I forgot that. Okay, great. So Abhishek, so of course I have something more to discuss with you. I'm going to teach you scalar product and vector product, very important. So please wait for it. But before we go there, many of you are asking, now you guys ask, sir, how to improve from 70 to 99, 70 to 98, 97. Now I have the answer for you right on your screen. What I can suggest from Vedantu's side. Okay, so guys, this is the crash course at Vedantu. I also teach in this. So crash course at Vedantu started on March 1st and it will go on till April mid. So till April attempt, we will help you to increase your score. Most students who have joined this have improved by 30 to 40 marks on an average. There have been great improvements to the tune of 90 marks and there have been very small improvements as well. So it totally depends on the student. So if you guys are energetic, if you seriously put effort, I guarantee you that this crash course will boost your score by at least 20 to 30 marks. That is a very, very reasonable improvement. In case you want to achieve that, then I would say do check it out today only, because in the chat you see the link. In the chat you see the link. That link will take you there. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of this program? We will teach you the entire important syllabus for JEE Mains in just 45 live classes. And then we will teach you how to analyze your test. You get 10 full test and 10 part test. In case you want to learn how to analyze your test, we will teach you that as well. We will show you where you are weak, where you are strong, how to improve that. Okay? So Vinayaka Sharma, if you are joining this course, you will be provided assignments, you will be provided books. So the very famous Vedantu's Tattva book is already there. So Vedantu's Tattva will be given to you as a PDF when you join this. Are you all clear? Malavika? No Malavika, we have still halfway to go. So don't worry, I'll continue. So guys, all of this is available to you for a price of 7,000 if you use my coupon code. So this is my coupon code SJCC. If you use that, you will be able to join the course for a price of 7,000 only. So 7,000 is for all the 3 subjects, for mathematics, for physics, for chemistry, all 3 along with teaching and solving. Got it? So in case you are interested, don't forget to check it out. That is all I wanted to say. Okay, guys, genuinely it will help you. End of story. It will definitely increase your level by at least 20 to 30 marks by April attempt. Okay, so do check it when you're free. This is only the test series. Sir, I want only test. I don't want anything else. Then you can check this out. Nakul, if you want 12th standard, we have something else. Message me here, Nakul. This is my Instagram ID. So message me here. I will tell you what to do in case you are interested for 12th standard. For that also, we have certain classes in Vedantu. I will probably suggest you. You can check it out. Okay. Yes, Nakul. There are courses for 12th standard also. But I don't have it right here because this session is meant for 12th standard. Okay. This session is meant for those who are writing this year. But if you want to know more, message me here. I will tell you. Okay. Yes, Malavika. Malavika, please remind me again in case I don't see. Okay. So let's continue. What is the time? So guys, it's already 10:36. Please focus on the class. Let's go ahead. So now, what is vector area? So guys, let's say you have a triangle whose 3 vertices are given by A vector, B vector and C vector. Then the area of this triangle is given by this formula. Please make a note of it. The area of this triangle is given by this formula. So area of ABC is half A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. Are you all clear with it? That is a formula, guys. I don't want to get into the details of it. Just make a note of it. If they are all collinear, if these 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle formed by them will be 0. So that is why this inside quantity, if you make it 0, that means these 3 points are collinear. I hope you understood it. I hope you guys have understood it. Yes, everybody? Shall we move forward? Yes, fantastic. Now, what is the other formula that you are supposed to know? Area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by A and B is nothing but modulus of A cross B. These are all direct formulas. Just fatafat note it down and then we will move forward. So if you have a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by A vector and B vector, then your area of that parallelogram will be modulus of A cross B. Are you all cool with it? Yes? Then the last one is when you have a quadrilateral whose diagonals are given, the diagonal vectors are given D1 and D2. So you have a quadrilateral and the diagonals D1 and D2 are given to you, then the area of the quadrilateral is half D1 cross D2. That's it. The area of the quadrilateral is nothing but half D1 cross D2. Did you all get it? All my lovely students, shall I move forward to question? So based on this also we had a question on your JEE Mains February attempt. Very, very simple question. Very interesting. I'm sure you guys will love it. Please try it out. Once you guys are done, I will help you. Okay? Everybody, please go for it, guys. Come on. I want all of you to solve it. Exactly. So we will solve it, guys. Can you show the triangle? Vinayaka, I showed you just some time back. Please pull the video back. You will have a look at it. If not, let me know. I will teach you how to apply it. So guys, we have A vector here, B vector here, and the area of parallelogram whose sides are represented by A and B is given. So what is area of parallelogram? It is nothing but modulus of A cross B. Do you guys remember that? So that is equal to how much? Is that correct, my dear students? Yes, Shreya. Shreya, everybody please try to solve it. Arya, I will definitely answer your query. Please wait for some time. So, Arya, you will qualify to write JEE Advance. But whether you will clear JEE Advance, I am not too sure. You need to work hard. Understood? But Arya, you can write JEE Advance. Don't worry. Okay, you will write JEE Advance, but whether you will clear it or not, that is secondary question. Understood? So I hope your question is answered. Attitude, the assignments are made from Tattva, man. So don't worry, you are getting Tattva questions. Okay. So Sam, they didn't ask alpha Sam, they asked what is A dot B. So you need to find out and tell me what is the value of the dot product A dot B. Okay. So let's try to solve it. What is A cross B? It is nothing but, let's try to find out what is A cross B. So this is ijk and this is 1 alpha 3 and that will be 3 minus alpha 1. So guys, can you find and tell me what is A cross B? Please check if I am solving it right. It will be I into alpha plus 3 alpha. So it will be I into 4 alpha minus j into, I will get 1 minus of 9 which will be minus 8, so plus 8 plus k times of minus alpha minus 3 alpha. So it will be minus 4 alpha k. Is that correct? So that is your A cross B. Do you all understand that? So if I want to take magnitude of it, that will be equal to what? Square root of 4 alpha whole square plus 8 square plus 4 alpha whole square. Now that is equal to 8 root 3. Now square on both sides. Are you all clear with it? If I square on both sides, I will get 64 into 3 which is 192. So 192 will be equal to 16 alpha square which will be 32 alpha square plus 64. So I'll get 128 is equal to 32 alpha square. So I'll get alpha square equal to 4. So alpha is equal to plus or minus 2. Are you all clear with it? So I got alpha square equal to 4. Now what is A dot B, my dear students? A dot B is nothing but 1 into 3, 3, alpha into minus alpha square, 3 into 1 plus 3. So it is nothing but 6 minus alpha square. What is alpha square? Alpha square is 4. So the answer is 6 minus 4 which will be 2. Such a laddu question. Very interesting, lovely question. Did you all enjoy it? Did you all enjoy it? Fantastic, na? So this is what I wanted you to like. I hope you all loved it. Ane Tripathi, this class is for 12th standard students who are writing JEE Mains this year. Very good, Nakul. That's absolutely right. Fantastic job, guys. You are all awesome. So with that, shall we move ahead to the next one? Are you guys ready for it? Yes. Are you guys ready for the next question, the next challenge? Fantastic. That is the spirit, Nancy. Very good. Exactly. Very true, Sam. Very good, Dharma Teja. Fantastic. Why there is a no cos factor? Because, Kirito, I did not open it as mod A, mod B cos theta. I directly took the dot product with the components, na? So I dot I will be 1, Kirito. J dot J will be 1. K dot K will be 1. So since I am taking it like that, it will be 1 into 3, 3, plus alpha into minus alpha square, plus 3 into plus 1, plus 3. Understood? So that is why you don't get a cos theta. You get cos theta only if you are opening it as mod A, mod B cos theta. Understood? Very good. Akash, come on, man, don't give up. We have got still a few more things to cover. The most important things are coming now only. So don't give up now, okay? So shortest distance between two lines, guys, just note down the formula. Just note down the formula. I don't want to explain anything here. Okay, so I'll just explain you the terms alone. I'll explain you the terms alone. So if you have, let's say, one line, this is the line equation. So let's say you have a line like this and you have another line like this. So the direction of first line is P vector. A vector is a fixed point on the first line. This is the second line. The direction of the second line is Q vector and the fixed point on the second line is B vector. If that is the case, if these are the two lines, then the shortest distance between them, is given by this formula. If the shortest distance is 0, that means they are intersecting lines. If the shortest distance is 0, they are intersecting lines. If they are not 0, then they are skew lines. Skew lines means they are oriented in space in such a way that they don't intersect, but they are not parallel. Because naturally for us, since we always draw in paper, we think if two lines are not parallel, they will always meet. Is that correct? If two lines are not parallel, we always think that they meet, but it is not the case when you have lines in space. When you have lines in space, you can have two lines like this which are not parallel, but at the same time they will not meet each other. So those lines are called as skew lines. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. So shortest distance formula, very important, nothing to teach here, just understand how to apply it. Okay, so this is the shortest distance between two skew lines. But what if you have two parallel lines? Then the formula will change. So if you have two parallel lines, let's say this is one line and this is another line. So if you have two parallel lines, you see their directions are same. So if you have two parallel lines and if you want to find the shortest distance, then the formula is given by this. Are you all clear? Everybody? So please make sure you guys are noting it down. Yes, Abhiram, it comes in 3D, but there was a vectors question which was asked in your February attempt. So 3D and vectors are very closely connected. So this was asked as a vectors question in February attempt. That is why I'm going to give you this formula right now. Okay? So people, shall I go ahead and give you a question? I hope you're all ready because these are all direct formula applications. So let's take a question. So like I said, there was a question which was asked in your JEE Mains 2020 and it is based on vectors and we want to find out whether these two lines will intersect or not intersect. Please check it out. Yes, Nakul, lambda and mu are any random real numbers. They keep varying to produce all the points on the line. So here, instead of lambda, we have L, we have M in the place of mu. Got it? I hope you understood it. Now people, please try to solve it. Can you please find out what is the shortest distance between them? Can you please find out what is the shortest distance between them? I want all of you to do it. Everybody, come on people, you can do it. Don't give up. So Divakar says C. Let's check it. Prasad, very good Prasad, keep trying. Priya, welcome Priya, try to solve it. Are you guys sure? Is it C? Why do a lot of people say it's option C? So guys, the answer is A. So try to think about it. So what is the shortest distance? It is nothing but this minus this. So what is this minus this? It is going to be I cap. That's it, right? So it is going to be just I cap dot B1 cross B2. So it is nothing but 2I plus K cross you have I plus J minus K modulus divided by what? I'm sorry, no modulus here. Of course, you will have modulus in the denominator only. Dot this divided by modulus of this thing. This whole thing modulus you will have here. Okay, so guys, basically you need to find out the cross product of these two. Can you guys do that? So your D is equal to the modulus of this quantity. It will not be 0. You guys can check it. So since since your D is not 0, I will get the shortest distance is not 0, hence they are not intersecting. Because if they intersect, then your shortest distance should be 0. If they intersect, your shortest distance should be 0. I hope you got the logic. Fantastic, na? Fantastic, na? Did you all like it? Jeevan, you are right, Jeevan. Absolutely. So if they are intersecting, the shortest distance will be 0 Jaba. And because I got shortest distance to be not 0, I can say that they are not intersecting. Are you all clear with it? Kanchan, did you follow it? Are you able to understand? So I hope you guys liked it. So the value of D I will show you here. So this is what I did. I did the same thing, isn't it? We got this vector minus this vector, which is I, dot, we cross product the two directions. So when I do that, I get this divided by the magnitude of that. If you do it, you will get it to be 1 by root 6. Because your D is equal to 1 by root 6, it is not a 0 quantity, right? Because it is not 0, that means the shortest distance is going to be a finite number. That means there is some distance between the lines. That means they will never intersect. As simple as that. Okay? So people, are you all ready for some more content? But it's already too late. Yes, yes, yes. Very true. So guys, I think it's better we continue with scalar product and vector triple product in the next class, because you will come back with a lot of energy. I think we will probably stop here. You guys can probably come back for vectors and scalar triple product. I will do that in the next class because I think it's already late. So I have a lot of things planned for you. So I was trying to give you these questions. But anyway, we'll do it in the next class. It's 9:30 for Abhiram. Abhiram, you're lucky, man. So you're lucky because you're staying there. So Shiva, it's already late. Already we have spent a lot of time. So I will try to take your doubts right now, because I know a lot of people have doubts. But I will teach you vector triple product and scalar triple product in the next session. I will try to plan it out and I will help you. In case you guys have any doubts, anything you want to ask me, please ask it right away. Please ask it right away. Yes, Kavin. Kavin, please tell me what is your doubt. And Arya and all the others who are asking me percentile, let me know now. Now I am free to help you. Okay, so if you guys have no doubts, then do check out the crash course. Like I said, the crash course is good for those who want to improve your score in the April attempt. Okay, so this is the coupon code. This is the price, 7,000 rupees if you use my coupon code. Okay. Jasmine, I will come in the next live session which is planned, 4 o'clock. Tomorrow, 4 o'clock, I'll come. Okay. Is it possible to increase percentile? Hitesh, of course, yes. But you need to put some effort into it. Very good, Nakul. Nakul, even I am from Chennai, man. I stay here. 3D geometry is already done, Vasanta Rajkumari. It is there in the channel. Please check it out. Hi, Achyut. Welcome, man. Definitely, Shreya, I hope you will do that. All the very best. Dharmateja, I take 2 sessions a day. One at 4 o'clock, one at 9 o'clock. So maybe 4 o'clock you watch the recording. If you can't come, that might be better. Exactly. So now I'm asking people to ask doubts nobody is asking. So Achyut, how to improve? Definitely you need to work hard, man, because 60 is definitely not enough for any NIT. So I would say start off with the easy topics, Achyut. Okay. So start with topics like sequence and series, matrices, determinants, statistics, mathematical reasoning, quadratic equations, application of derivatives. These 6 topics are very important. Okay. So once you master these 6 topics, then you can move forward to another. But please understand, put a very sincere effort. Yes, Sudha Rajashekaran, Tamil nallave theriyum because I am from Chennai. Okay. Saravanan, Valimai update விட மாட்டீங்களா? எல்லாரும் அதே கேட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க. Okay. Very good, Nakul. That's awesome, man. Okay, so guys, I think it is done. We will meet again tomorrow. I hope you all enjoyed it. Satish, it is possible, Satish, but it requires a lot of hard work. Okay, you need to put a lot of effort. Yes, Achyut, I do know him. Okay, guys, it is possible to break into 90 plus percentile. But what you need to do is you need to solve a lot of questions. You need to first analyze your February attempt. Look at what they asked, what kind of questions are coming. So that will give you an idea on how to improve. Then you guys can take it forward. Okay, so that is how you get better. Clear? So we will stop here, guys. Dharmateja, no man. Why will I ignore comments? Yes, Achyut, it is very good. Yes, absolutely. So, Jayashri, thank you so much. That means a lot. You guys are awesome. Ranveer, for PNC, start with NCRT. Once NCRT is done, do miscellaneous. After miscellaneous is done, do previous year's questions. And then do the February attempt questions. Do this very sincerely. Many people hear what I say, but putting it to practice is not possible. If you guys can put it to practice, you will definitely reach your goal. Okay? So try to do that. Okay? So guys, take care. All the best. We will meet in the next class. So in case you want the crash course, guys, it is very effective. I gave you the link. I gave you the coupon code as well. 7,000 for 3 subjects is very, very reasonable, guys. So if you like it, don't forget to join it. Okay? I'll be also teaching there. So this is only the test series. If you want only test, sir, I don't want anybody to teach me. I want only test. Then you can go for this. Okay? Sudha, I will eat after the class. Okay? So thank you for asking. So guys, all the very best. Now go relax, chill out, and we will meet again tomorrow. If you did well in your JEE Mains, you can join the Eklavya batch. Someone is asking in the chat. So you can check it out in the description of the video. You will be mentored by teachers like Anand sir, Vikas sir, fabulous teachers, guys. These teachers are like next level. They'll make sure you get top ranks in IIT. Okay, so for those who did well, check out Eklavya. You will enjoy it. Pujit, what happened, man? You're listening to me even in your dreams. That's awesome. How to increase your score from 100 to 170? So, like I said, analyze your mistakes, focus on easy topics, get those easy questions first, and do chemistry NCRT reading. That is how you do it. Okay? So if you want to get the session PDF, check it out in the Telegram group. And finally, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Come on, guys. Subscribing to this channel is very important to me. Okay? Because only then I can see you again. Otherwise, you will just go away. This is a sign of love. All the ninjas who love this channel will share it to all your friends. And don't forget to like it, because this is something which motivates us. Okay? Great, great, great. Fantastic, Dharmateja. I hope you don't regret it. I hope it was useful to you. So with that, we will conclude. Thank you, Nakul. All the very best, my dear students. We will meet again tomorrow at 4 p.m. Take care and see you all. Bye-bye. Love you guys.